Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss about files of record, part of programming in C course. Files of record refers to a method of storing a collection of related data as a set of records, where each record is stored as a single unit of data on a file. Each record consists of multiple fields, where each field stores a specific piece of information. This method is useful in organizing large amounts of data, as it allows for easy retrieval and manipulation of data. The advantage of using files of records over storing data in arrays are variables is the persistence of the data. The data stored in files remain on disk even after the program that created it terminates. This makes it possible to read and write data to files even across multiple programs run. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.